Hi, it's Michelle here, LAMAV's brand educator. At LAMAV, we believe that health and well-being is holistic, and to achieve good health for our skin, we must first turn our attention inwards and nourish our gut from the inside. Our Beauty Restore formula contains a blend of 8 strains of probiotics and is supercharged with our Ayurvedic beauty blend to encourage microbial balance and radiant clear skin. The addition of elderberry, papaya and pomegranate fruit extracts provide a boost of antioxidants, reducing the signs of stress and aging. Our Beauty Restore works with your skincare ritual as a 3-in-1 solution for inner health, outer beauty and overall well-being every single day. Achieving holistic beauty is easy with our Beauty Restore. Simply mix 15 ml of Beauty Restore with 200 ml of water or add to your favourite smoothie or healthy juice and drink immediately. This can also be enjoyed daily in conjunction with our Ayurvedic beauty powder. Don't forget to store in the fridge once opened.